Okay, Toby here with the 216 Auto Restoration. Gonna drop a battery in this 73 Nova. See if I can fire it up. Actually started this one a few months ago. I still have to fire it up to move it. Gotta get it out of here. Put my new lift in. Trying not to tighten these cables down, but just so I can move the car. And also I have to wash this thing. It definitely needs a good washing. Just wash the Camaro. Grab the keys. '73 Chevy Nova. There you go, 1973 Chevy Nova. Said needs some interior work done to it still on the windshield. But I'm getting some room for my lift to come in my shop here. Cleaning these cars out. Moving them around over to my where I paint usually. But everybody, thank you for sticking around and watching the startup of the Nova. Take care.